I think what's really powerful and wonderful about art in public spaces is that it's something that if you choose to seek it out, you can get to it. You can get to it for free. It's in the environment, and you do have the opportunity to kind of witness art in ways and in environments that might be more where you want to be. Since 1975, the Oregon Art Commission's Percent for Art in Public Places has supported nearly 3,000 art installations across the state. The general premise is that when new constructions go into effect, that 1% of the budget is kept aside to being able to bring artworks into those spaces for the public to be able to access and see. I'm Jakob Pander, a filmmaker here in Portland and also the son of Hank Pander. My father was a classically trained painter in the tradition of the old Dutch masters. He would draw, do very detailed pen and ink drawings, but his main medium was really oil painting and watercolor. Two really striking pieces of my dad's are at Oregon State University. One side depicts a coastal science research ship on the open ocean. So he actually went out on the ship with those scientists and hung out for, I think at least 24 hours. And it was very rough seas out there. And you really see in that work the tumultuous ocean. I mean, he really depicted that. So, it's dangerous, important work that's being done. And I think he really captured it in that mural. The piece on the other wall is a depiction of the battlefields of Verdun. So that piece depicts that space as a kind of a combination of history and architecture. We often think about public art also, or art in general, as something that you go to look at. I think art is also something that you can be with. The cool thing about public art is there are opportunities to have works that you can lean against or sit on or maybe just hang out with friends amidst. And so I think that they also can actually offer environments and alternative spaces to really just be there and kind of almost not even necessarily know you're looking at art, but you're just literally immersed in art. I think that what my dad was able to do is he was able to live out an adventure through his art making. And that to me was very inspiring. It was a sense that the art making is really something that can actually give you the reason and the mission to go outside and engage with the world and really be immersed in the world in a way that is very intimate. If you are of the mindset to want to really know the place that you're going to, I think art is a very powerful way to access that story of the cultures and communities of that region.